Hello students, how are you? Once again, I, Purnima, welcome you to my English class. And children, I am going to continue the same lesson, that is advertisement. I have already prepared 3 videos and this will be the last video for advertisement. And children, once again, I will be revising some of the important points related with advertisement. First of all, what is advertisement? So it is a very powerful source which influence the mind and taste of the people. Advertisement, children, it leaves a lot of impact on the minds of people. It attracts, a good advertisement attracts a lot of people. And children, there are many sources through which we can see the advertisement or read the advertisement, like television, newspaper, magazines, cinema, radio. There are a lot of sources are there. And children, day by day we can see good advertisements is coming in a newspaper, in the radio or in the TV, which really influence a lot of people. And different advertisement are there to attract different levels of people, like small children, they are attracted by Parle G, Amul butter, okay, Amul products, ice cream and all that thing. Ladies, they are attracted by products like shampoo, cream of various type, cosmetics, okay. Then their electronic items are there. So many things we are seeing the advertisements uh, about all these things. And children, I also discussed in my previous video that there are two types of advertisement, okay. Now I also told you that there is a difference, a little difference between a notice and an advertisement. Now, how to draft an advertisement, that is very important, and I have discussed also with this, okay. Mainly children, the business advertisement are those advertisement which whose main aim is the promotion of sales and business, whose main aim is the promotion of sales and business. Now children, you should draft an advertisement that may attempt the readers, that may attract maximum readers to go through your advertisement. Interesting and meaningful advertisement always attract the reader. Now children, it depends upon the person which type of word he chooses. According to the taste of maximum people, the word should be taken. And all the advertisement, it should state fact, because if the person will not be satisfied by your false wording, definitely children, that advertisement will be useless. So there should be a happy blending of content and style. And children, some the facts are very necessary, okay. Like if you are having a shampoo, then what type of shampoo you have, like you can write that there are many shampoos are there for oily hair, for dry hairs, for frizzy hairs. You can so many things you can write in the advertisement. And like for electronic goods, you can write that there are many items are there which are consuming low powers, low electricity, okay. So it depend upon the person or the individual, that how he or she can write an advertisement or use some words so that it attracts maximum number of people. Well children, advertisement should be brief and simple, and children, to the point, okay. This is very important, that an advertisement should be brief, simple and to the point. So while writing advertisement, children, you have to see that the language should be simple so that every person can understand. Brief, don't write long advertisement. In fact children, advertisements word limit is only 50 words, so definitely you have to write short advertisement, you don't have to write long advertisement, okay. And children, then you have to see the relevant point should be there, to the point, no unnecessary thing should be there while writing an advertisement. Different types of words, children. And children, size of the letter size should be there, okay. So that you should know that which letter will create what type of effects on people mind. There should be no heavy, lengthy and dull words should not be chosen while writing the advertisement. And children, the name of the person who is the advertiser and advertised product should be given in bold letter, in capital letter, and in which type of advertisement, in general or display advertisement, which I will be teaching you all today. Okay. Then children, classified, I told you that there are two type of advertisement. You can see I've written also classified advertisement and general display advertisement or display advertisement. So in today class children, I've already revised the main points, and in today class I will be telling you about general display advertisement or display advertisement. So these are the two types of advertisement are there. Okay, one is classified advertisement and the other is general display advertisement or display advertisement. Okay, now children, what is a general display advertisement and what is a classified advertisement? Let me tell you the basic tips about these two advertisement. So children, let me discuss something. Before discussing this advertisement, general display or display advertisement, let me tell you something about classified advertisement, and I think we have completed all the types of classified advertisement. So children, first of all, maximum word limit in classified advertisement should not more than 50. It should be children, no design should be there, no artistic and something other thing should be there in classified advertisement. Children, newspaper are the biggest source of classified advertisement, especially children on the on Sunday newspaper. In Sunday newspaper you can see lot of classified advertisement are there related with situation vacant, situation wanted, matrimonial columns, then children lost and found, sales and purchase. Okay, then something children educational advertisement, if you wanted to go finding a suitable coaching class for learning French. So children, there are two types of educational advertisement are there, in which one is student is finding a good tutor. Okay, he wanted a good physics teacher or mathematics teacher, and children, it can be vice versa also. That means a teacher also wanted to give tuition to the student, so he is also is asking for the tuition. So then children, situation vacant is there, situation wanted, and I have in my previous video I have told about each type of advertisement. So the advertisement should be simple, factual and formal. Remember this 2 points, these 3 points in classified advertisement. Your language should be simple, factual and formal, and children, no blocks or design are allowed in classified advertisement. Low blocks or design are found in classified advertisement. Okay. Now coming back to the children, which advertisement, coming back to the children advertisement, which is display or general advertisement, general display advertisement or display advertisement. First of all, I would like to discuss what is this type of advertisement is, what type of advertisement is this. So I've written children, some of the big advertising and popular agencies. Children, there are many agencies are there which are very big and they are very popular. Like children, Mudras, one of the agency name is Mudras and the other agency name is Lintas. These are the two very famous agency which helps the people. They write different type of advertisement, and children, they are so big, they take a lot of money, because children, they in their advertisement they take a lot of celebrities. Like children, have you seen in the advertisement of Coca-Cola, lot of children, sometimes Bollywood stars are there, sometimes children sports stars like this so many cricket stars are there. Okay, like the captain of the Indian team and all that, they take all such type of great person. Okay, then the advertisement is loved and liked and attracted by it, many people. Okay, so these companies are there. Two companies I've just told you, like one is Mudras and the other is Lintas. So their job is to write and to prepare wonderful glamorous advertisement. All right, so there are some of the big advertising and popular agencies prepare glamorous and big advertisement. This advertisement is known as general advertisement or display advertisement. Now children, big corporates, there are certain big corporates are there, or children, certain industrial house, they employed such type of big and leading companies. Okay, advertising agencies like just now I told you, Lintas and what is the other name, Mudra. They prepare big and glamorous advertisement for the publicity. So these are what is their main work. They prepare big, attractive, glamorous advertisement for the public, for the publicity and promotion of their products. These advertisements are called display advertisement. These advertisements are called display advertisement. They are displayed separately at some prominent and special pages of the newspaper, especially children in the prominent and special places in the newspaper or magazine. Sometimes children, we can see such type of advertisement are there displayed on the road, also in the big poster. So children, first of all, these this advertisement are charged at the rate of per column. That means their charges are very high. There is no limit to their size. It can be big also, it can be small also. So there is no limitation to the size. Okay, and I am going to tell you about some how to write this type of general advertisement or display advertisement. Okay, so one question I am going to read, you listen, and I will also write and tell you how to start this type of advertisement, with what type of attractive word you will be choosing to write this advertisement. So just listen to the question which I am going to read just now. So student, listen to the question carefully and see what thing is given and what you have to write an advertisement, for what you have to write an advertisement. So I am going to read. You are sales manager. What are you? You are sales manager, Kohinoor Industries. Okay, or Kohinoor plus IFB Industries. Using the information given below in the input, write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. So you have to write a advertisement, okay, for the publicity of a washing machine in the newspaper. Also mention the offer of a free dinner or Usha fan with every IFB washing machine. Children, when lot of sales, children sometimes have a discount is given, sometimes some free products are given. Like here in this question I have told you that if a person will buy a washing machine, what he will have? He will have something free. So you have to mention that thing. Now children, a box is there, a input is there, and in that box what is written? A La Opala dinner set free with a La Opala dinner set and 2 Usha fan or 2 Usha fan. Either you will get La Opala dinner set or 2 Usha fan free with every IFB washing machine. Offer valid only in Delhi till 31st July. Now children, this offer is not everywhere. This offer is only in Delhi, that too till 31st July, not more than. It will not extend further than 31st July. So once again I read the question, children. You are sales manager IFB Industries. Using the information given below in the input means children, a box will be drawn and something will be written that I will be reading you what is written in the input. Write an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. So where you have to write that advertisement in the newspaper for publication. Also mention the offer of a free dinner set with IB washing machine. Now children, whatever free things you will be providing with that IB machine, that also you have to mention. So children, first you have to write the input. What is it? That means you have to draw a box, and what is written in that input, which is a part of question, of course, that I will be telling you. A La Opala dinner set or 2 Usha fan, free with every IB washing machine. Offer valid only in Delhi till 31st July. So this is your question. Now children, I told you the basic things, that whenever you have to write an advertisement, you have to draw a box. So children, you can see I have draw in box. And now attractive word you have to choose. So I have written hurry. Last few days to get La Opala dinner set or 2 Usha ceiling fan. Now only limited days is left, and if you will buy this washing machine, what you have will be getting free La Opala dinner set or 2 Usha ceiling fan free with IB washing machine. Children, if you will purchase that washing machine, IB, which of washing machine will be there, that is IB washing machine. So this thing you will be getting free. Children, after writing this thing, okay, these are the main attraction for the public. Of course, anybody will be attracted, and IB, I think it is one of the most, I think it's very good machine. Okay, one of the best in India, IB. So children, now after this, children, you have to write. Okay, this is not, you remember, you have to write about 50 words. Whenever you write advertisement, you have to write for about 50 words. Okay, so after writing these words which would be attracted by public, now you have to write something else. Okay, now you have to write and see what you have to write now. Now children, with block letter, that means with dark letter, you can write IB washing machine, a household name among millions of housewives. Now children, this washing machine is really very good. Okay, so many things, like for silk cloth, it is having another section. For much dirty clothes or white clothes on curtain, it is having another section. So a lot of facilities you will, then hot water facility is there, cold water facility is there. For woolens there is something else. For bedsheet there is a separate section. Now extra the dryer is such a wonderful here that I think 70-80% your clothes will be dried and it will come out from the washing machine. So children, you will, in the main heading you will be write IB washing machine, a household name among millions of housewives. That means this machine is very popular with many housewives. Now then you will write, children, bullet. You will write 4 or 5 bullet and you will mention the quality. Equipped with latest German technology. So children, this washing machine is equipped with German technology. Automatic cleaner, heater and dryer. Fully automatic. This machine is fully automatic with cleaner, heater and dryer. And children, buy a IB washing machine, get a 23-piece La Opala dinner set worth rupees 3,000, or you will be getting 2 Usha fan, that is also worth 3,000 rupees. And at last, children, you will write offer valid only in Delhi till 31st July. Offer valid only in Delhi till 31st July. And IB so clean, even clothes swear by it. Now you can write some good thing about IB machine. Okay, like IB dash so clean, even clothes swear by it. Okay, so children, this is the way to write a advertisement. Okay, general display advertisement. Okay, in this way you have to write, you have to choose some words which is very attractive, Then whatever children you can write whatever thing, like here I have written La Opala dinner set or to Usha Serifing. That means something children you have to write which will make the your this sales products attractive. Okay, anything you can write. That this company is giving a heavy discount. Okay, or children it is giving guarantee of 4 year 2 years guarantee or 3 years guarantee. Okay, generally a company give 1 year or 6 month guarantee, so this is giving 2 years guarantee. Okay, so this type of wonderful offer you can write, which will promote your sales services. Okay, now children one more type of one more question I will be reading, and you can see it is related with education. On behalf of, okay, on behalf of children, Mansarovar tutorial draft an advertisement to be published in a newspaper to attract the young students of class 9, 10th, 11th and 12th who intend to become doctor. That means children, a coaching center had started, and they will be preparing the student of 9 to 12 for giving some special capsule courses, so that they can get success in the medical, the entrance which is there for medical. So that coaching institute, for that coaching institute you have to write an advertisement. So once again I read the question. On behalf of Mansarovar Tutorials, draft an advertisement to be published in a newspaper to attract the young student of classes 9, 10, 11 and 12 who intend to become doctors. Offer free prospectus to the interested student. Those students who are really interested in becoming a doctor. Okay, so for them free prospectus for of the syllabus and all this thing will be there. So once again children, how you are going to start a notice? You have to draw a box. Okay, and then you have to write a nice catchy words so that the maximum people can attract. Okay, so let me write it. Let me show you how to write that thing. So student, you can see I have drawn a box here. Okay, this will be done in all the type of advertisement, whether classified or general or display advertisement. In the like notices, like in notice we have to draw a box. Similarly in the advertisement we have to draw a box. And children, you can see the heading, the attractive word which I have written. Let the dreams of your child come true. Let the dreams of your child come true. Enroll him or her in Mansarovar while still in standard 9. Okay, you can write here Mansarovar coaching. Okay, Mansarovar coaching. While still in standard 9. Then children, leave one line. Let Mansarovar be your guide till the very eve of the, you can see what I have written. Let Mansarovar be your guide till the very eve of the medical entrance examination. So children, these are some of the catchy phrases and words which will attract. And after this children, you have to leave one line here, and then what else you have to write. This is still incomplete, only 50% is written here. So now children, you will write admission open for. Okay, that had words you will be writing a bit larger. Admission open for. Then first point, target MBBS. If your target is MBBS, then your admission is open. Then children, different type of course. Prime course for student entering standard 9th and 10th. Prime course for student who are there in standard 9th and 10th. Then 1 year postal course. 1 year postal course for MBBS entrance. Okay, so prime course for students entering standard 9th and 10. And then till the next point you will write 1 year postal course for MBBS entrance 2020 for class 12 student. Okay, those are in class 12. They are going to be in class 12. So for them 1 year postal course is there for MBBS entrance. Then children, last point, 2 year postal course for MBBS entrance 2020 for class 11 student. And children, 2 years postal courses is there for class 11. Okay, entering for 2020 entrance examination. And last what you have to write, Mangalam Mansarovar, you have to write Mansarovar. And children, you have to write the full address of the coaching center as well as the mobile number. A51 Suraj Bihar, Jaipur. Okay, so you have to write the full address now. When you will end your this type of thing, children, when you will end your display advertisement, you have to write the generally you have to write the full address of the person who has written this as well as the mobile number. Okay, so these two are types of this children. It general display advertisement I have told you. Now what other is there? Okay, if you want to have your own house, so you are a general manager of Shivalik Orchard and Garden. Children, Shivalik Orchard is a company, is a business, is a big children industrial for housing employment. Okay, so they sales beautiful, wonderful flat or a duplex with a reasonable price. So you are the general manager of Shivalik Orchard and Garden Private Limited. Shivalik Orchard and Garden Private Limited is a business center where flats and duplex houses are being sold, and you are the manager of that. Dehradun. You give the following notes of your stenographer contained in the input to prepare an advertisement for publication in a newspaper. So children, you are a manager and you are having a stenographer under you, and you are telling her to draft an advertisement for the selling of the flat for the newspaper. Now using the information given in the input, write the advertisement in about 50 words. So he told that what you will write in the input. Input is a box where all the important information should be given. Okay, that information we give to the newspaper person who is going to give children. They are going to write some ad through someone, and they charge a heavy money for this. So children, the place is also Dehradun, beautiful mountain area. So children, first of all, what you have to write in the box in the input. Own a house in Shivalik, noise and pollution free. That means if you want to own your own flat or house in Shivalik. Okay, Shivalik is a beautiful place full of mountains in Dehradun, and that place is without any noise and it is pollution free at the foothills of Shivalik ranges. Shivalik are the ranges of Himalayas, so they are the foothill of Shivalik ranges. Freehold land, plots of various size. There they are selling plots of various size. So children, how you are going to write it? You can write it something like that. Are you looking for a paradise? Okay, free from stress and noise, pollution free. And you can write own your own farmhouse or a flat or a house. Then children, you have to write the name of the business that business private limited. What is that? Shivalik Gardens, Orchards and Garden. This is the name of that business company. And children, what are the main feature? You can see a nursery of peace and silence. Okay, situated just 19 km away from Dehradun on Delhi Dehradun highway, And children, there is a forms also. In that form 30 trees are there, 15 lychee trees are there, and 5 mango trees are there, along with 10 trees of your choice. They will also provide 10 trees of your choice if you want to have a orchard there. Okay. And children, if you want to have a flat or a something like that for house, then you have to write something related with flat, like 3 BHK flat. Then what interior facilities are there, what is the size of a kitchen and a washrooms and everything. And then you can write with a nice view on the Shivalik mountains, okay, with a nice location. So all this thing you can write it. And children, what you can write, one bedroom set is rupees for 20 lakh, two bedroom set is for 35 lakhs, four bedroom set is for 80 lakhs. So according to that you can write the price. And children, then you can write at the last, what you will write, you will write the name of the company. Okay, what is the name of the company? Shivalik Orchards and Garden Private Limited. And then children, you will write the full address of that company, B41 Patlan Road, Dehradun. Okay, any address you can write. So in this way children, we write the general or display advertisement. Both type of advertisement are important, classified and this one, general display advertisement, classified or general display advertisement, both the type of advertisement we have discussed. And children, I hope if this will come in the examination, you will write a nice and a wonderful advertisement. So with this I conclude my video here. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.